equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Changing the battery on your Dyson SV10 vacuum cleaner is a straightforward process that can extend the life of your device. In this guide, we will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and knowledge to complete the task efficiently. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new Dyson SV10 battery. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. Begin by ensuring your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Safety is paramount, so take a moment to double-check that the device is completely powered down. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see a small panel that needs to be removed. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the battery. Now, you will see the battery connected to the vacuum. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector away from the device. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With the old battery removed, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connector and push it into place until you hear a click. This indicates that the battery is securely connected. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. Next, replace the battery cover by aligning it with the back of the vacuum. Secure it in place by screwing the 2 screws back in with your Phillips head screwdriver. Ensure the cover is tightly fitted to prevent any dust or debris from entering the battery compartment. Once the screws are tightened, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust buildup around the battery area. This will help maintain the efficiency of your vacuum and prolong the life of the new battery. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV10 and turn it on to test the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you're all set. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront without any surprises. In summary, changing the battery on your Dyson SV10 is a simple task that can be completed in just a few minutes with the right tools and guidance. Regular maintenance, including battery replacement, will keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.